Hi students, how are you all? Hope so आप सब ठीक होंगे. So our today's topic is polynomials. First of all हम देखते हैं polynomial होते क्या है. इसकी डेफिनेशन के अकॉर्डिंग polynomial एक algebraic expression है जो कि whole number as exponent of the variable को contain करती है. Okay, so polynomial is an algebraic expression comprising of whole number as exponent of the variable. Polynomial consists of variable, coefficient and constant like the algebraic expression. For example, 3x square plus 2x plus 4 is a polynomial. Why? Reason is that variable power or the exponent is a whole number, that is 2, and 2 is a whole number. This is also a polynomial due to the power of variable or the exponent, that is whole number. But this is not the polynomial. Reason is because of the power of variable, that is not whole number. This is a whole number exponent, that is 2, but this is not whole number exponent. Why? Because x is in denominator. When it will move above side due to the solution, so its power become negative, and negative part is not whole number. Similarly, this is also not the polynomial due to the x power, that is under root, and under root is equivalent to 1 by 2. Student, hopefully you understand the topic what is polynomial. Now coming toward the degree of polynomial. बेसिकली जो हाईएस्ट पावर ऑफ वेरिएबल होती है ना स्टूडेंट, उसको हम कहते हैं कि वो पोलिनोमियल की डिग्री हुई. ओके, सो द हाईएस्ट पावर ऑफ वेरिएबल इज कॉल्ड द डिग्री ऑफ पोलिनोमियल. अब जैसे आप इस एग्जांपल में देखें 8x क्यूब प्लस 4x स्क्वायर प्लस 6x प्लस 9. हियर द हाईएस्ट पावर ऑफ वेरिएबल, लुक हियर, x पावर इज 3, हियर x पावर इज 2, हियर x पावर नथिंग मीन 1. सो पावर ऑफ वेरिएबल मीन्स एक्सपोनेंट, तो हाईएस्ट एक्सपोनेंट जो है वो 3 है. सो डिग्री ऑफ दिस पोलिनोमियल इज 3. सिमिलरली इन दिस एग्जाम्पल द हाईएस्ट पावर ऑफ वेरिएबल इज़ 4. हाउ? अब जब आपका वेरिएबल मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा होता है तो तब हम देखते हैं क्या इसकी डिग्री आती है. सो x की डिग्री है 1, y की डिग्री है 2. ओके, सो कलेक्टिवली व्हाट्स द डिग्री फॉर दिस पोलिनोमियल? 4x स्क्वायर y स्क्वायर प्लस x स्क्वायर y प्लस 18. द टर्म x स्क्वायर y स्क्वायर वेरिएबल देखें, इनकी पावर है 2. तो जब वेरिएबल मल्टीप्लाई हो रहे होते हैं ना, तो उनकी जो पावर होती है वो ऐड हो जाती है और कलेक्टिवली हम उसको कंसीडर करते हैं कि एक्स वाई की पावर है. सो 2 + 2 इज़ 4. नाउ हियर y पावर इज़ 1, सो 2 + 1 इज़ 3. सो 4 इज़ द हाईएस्ट पावर ऑफ वेरिएबल, सो दैट्स वाई द डिग्री ऑफ फॉर दिस पोलिनोमियल इज़ 4. So students, now looking at the types of polynomial, there are 3 types of polynomial: monomials, binomials, trinomials. Name से जाहिर हो रहा है, mono means 1, bi means 2 and tri means 3. So monomials. It is a type of polynomial having a single term like 3x square, and this is a single term. 4xy square, this is a single term. So this is monomial. Binomial. A binomial is a polynomial having two terms. For example, 2y square plus 7. This is a binomial because of two terms. First term is 2y square, second term is 7. Similarly, 2xy plus 4x is also binomials. Trinomials is also a type of polynomial that consists of three terms. For example, 7x square plus 2x plus 6, this is a trinomial, as well as xy square plus xy plus 7. This is also trinomial because of the consistency of 1, 2, 3 terms. Okay. Hopefully you got the concept of what is polynomial, how we can calculate the degree of polynomial, and as well as how many types of polynomial are there and how can we explain them: monomials, binomials and trinomials. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. The next part we will do the operations with the polynomial.